But if you are in Nigeria and you are earning less than 300k in a month, you know if you carry you again. Oh, that is just the truth, considering how the dollar rate and so many things are expensive. So one of the things where you feel do now just natural thing, just like you they press your phone, you feel earn money is just through crypto airdrop. Nobody they whine you. I know they whine you. If you know work, I know go tell you. I don't make money from Jupiter airdrop, from when airdrop, part and other part staking. So guys, it works. If you know work, especially my friends where they here, I no go show you. I no go say me you can't join this group. See, now this money is free. And why is it free? It's just that some few stacks you need to do. Just like this one I'm about to show you now. Imagine say you are doing a project and you want investors to come into that project. So what will you do? You will want your Facebook page, sorry, your Twitter page, your Discord page to be booming so that people will know, okay, this project is good since there are many people. You will want that platform to be tested. So there are many crypto projects that are coming on. This crypto project need liquidity money. You understand? Investors to come in. They cannot just be Bitcoin overnight. So you that you are just there, all they need you is to just like their pages, your TikTok, yeah, others, test their platform. Guy, you can make money when these people are going to drop money for those people that help them to grow. These are called airdrop. They are just points you accumulate. Those points you exchange them for dollar. So me, I know if you talk past this one, I beg. So this grass airdrop, the tax now is very simple. Every airdrop, the taxes, they are just very simple. Just that some are more complicated than some, but they are all very simple. So now this grass airdrop, we don't run am since, we don't gather point, but it never over because they never drop. The point we accumulate is not available for claim yet. Remember, if you participate in airdrop, no rush. It can be after a week, after month, after year. They will now, that point you accumulate, they will not turn it into money for you to now finally sell. Okay, if it is legit, not all airdrop legit. Or follow crypto money, this Telegram group. If you are watching this on any platform, check the description. You will see the link to join this crypto money on Telegram, where we first drop every airdrop, while the YouTube also will be dropping the step for complicated airdrop. So for this grass now, after you don't follow my procedure, install all the tools where I tell you. Masses browser should be your default browser because you they browse, you they make money. So now when you click this link for this grass, for example, so it go just carry you go masses browser. You understand? If you don't, just fill up this thing. Filling up these things, that is just the requirement. So the next thing you'll be doing, since you are in masses browser, you are in masses browser. So check, let me just go to new tab. The first time it will just carry you come this masses browser. If you don't install masses browser and make your default browser, so why will you be using Chrome and other browser that will not pay you? Why masses browser will pay you with this airdrop? Look now, you will see grass here. You understand? So already it will be added to here because it can only work on phone, on computer, but with this browser it will automatically turn it to work. So now when you click on this grass, you will add it to your Chrome extension. It will be under here. Now be your Chrome extension or that masses browser. See how now you see say this Chrome extension. See how now it grass dey there. So this thing now, as you dey browse, I dey tell you, please, if you are not in Nigeria, sorry for the pigeon. This thing now, as you dey browse, you know they chop your money. Or just normal browse is even faster than Chrome browser and Mozilla Firefox on Android. So this grass airdrop now, they will be giving you money. Just make sure that your browser is active and this point will be accumulated. Look at the point where I don't accumulate for this Epoch 2. We don't do Epoch 1 finish. So just join. You see, if I open the dashboard now, you see the point. You understand? I no refer. I think now only 7 people I don't refer. But as far as I'm using masses browser and I've signed up for this grass, what did they call them? Grass airdrop. The point is accumulated. One day now, as we just did, we don't forget all this thing. Because after this video now, we don't forget all this thing. But me, I dey run am every day. I know they do anyone just to browse with grass masses browser. And my grass extension is open on masses browser. So see the point. Imagine say tomorrow now, grass won't drop airdrop. They now say each 1,000 point na $10. So which means I've already have $70 here. Convert it in Nigerian naira, and maybe that time dollar don't reach 2k. You understand? Na big money, and I don't do any work. So this is about me. I'm helping them now to be browsing. They are testing something. You understand? That is crypto for you. They are testing something. So your own is just to help them test. So basically, I'm testing for them now without doing any work. So guys, for this airdrop, If you are in the Telegram group, scroll to the beginning, listen to all the audio, listen to all instruction, all the tools you need to install. Follow all the airdrop are still very active. The one where they don't dash out the point, you understand, the airdrop, I will still update it. Okay, so this is it. All the airdrop, they are like that. If you go to Telegram, like this hot now, if you register under this Telegram, hot now, it's just for you to be mining hot all the time. So every 2 hours, see this my hot, it don't even full. Every 2 hours, when this thing full, 2 hours, you just come and claim, and you'll be mining hot. This hot will turn to money. So if you check my hot, I already have like 10. So guys, I don't want to talk too much. Follow the Telegram channel, Crypto Money. If you are not already there, look at the channel. Every airdrop I drop, follow am. Some go work, some no go work, many go work, because we have already filtered the one wey go work. Most of this airdrop na high probability, you understand. No follow any other scam airdrop. For us, I say na me say make you go do airdrop. Bye bye, see you.